Hi, my name is Julianne Rochon Dow from the Dow Integrative Institute in Kent, Connecticut. And I'm here to share a little bit about my perimenopausal and menopausal journey. So in my 40s, I got struck with the experience of hot flashes in the middle of the night. Very, very uncomfortable, would wake me from my sleep. And I just grinned and bared it, right? But then I was introduced to the art of Jinshin-jutsu, which is an ancient Japanese healing art that is very similar to Chinese acupuncture, but without the needles. We just use our hands. And so I learned through different trainings, Jinshin-jutsu trainings, on how to apply my hands on people's bodies to integrate the life force energy in their body for optimal healing to take place. And I also learned Jinshin-jutsu self-help, how we can help ourselves, and also how I can coach others to help themselves in between treatments. And so I look forward to sharing with you all these different ways that you can help yourself by placing your hands on your body in different locations for periods of time and see and experience results. So I learned how to help myself with the self-help umbilicus in Jinshin-jutsu. And so in the evenings, as I lay in bed, I would apply my hands around my head and shoulders, and I would find that the hot flashes stopped, the insomnia stopped, and the tinnitus in my ear, the chirping birds, that also stopped. So these self-help protocols help lots of different things in the body because we are integrated beings. So I look forward to spending time with you and sharing this wealth of self-care knowledge that empowers you to care for yourself, and in particular for our perimenopausal and menopausal needs. So I hope to see you soon. Jai Bhagwan.